In this support video, we will be replacing the main control board found in the 1933LS or RS fridge models. First step is to unplug the unit power supply. Locate the main control box at the bottom of the unit. Unscrew the two holding screws. Pull out the holding box and open the front lid. Remove the two screws holding down the control board. Unclip the wire harness and remember their wiring position for later reassembly. Remove the holding clips and then remove the two wire harnesses. With your new control board, place back the wire harnesses and holding clips. Screw back the control board into place. Place back the lid cover. Screw back the control box. This completes the installation.